Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings. In them, choose Connection and Sharing and tap on Printing section. Now you can click on System Printing Service over here and wait for your printer to connect, or disable it, click on the back button and tap on Add Service. Then install the best one for you, and when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now click on your service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!